Did you know elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? An adult African elephant can weigh as much as 6,000 kilograms. But their most amazing tool is their trunk. An elephant's trunk is used for breathing, smelling, drinking water, picking up food, and even greeting other elephants. Elephants also have huge ears that help them stay cool in hot weather. By flapping their ears, they release body heat. These gentle giants are very intelligent and live in close family groups led by an older female called the matriarch. Elephants can remember water sources for years and even recognize members of their herd after a long time. That's why elephants are not just powerful. They are one of the smartest animals in the wild.